guys, it's Therese. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a productive day in my life. Ayan, so it's currently, I don't know if it's focused, but it's currently 7:53 and I usually start my day at 8:30. So I wake up earlier today, not for this video, but I have a lot of things to do. I need to like rewatch a video or a movie, and it's about an hour long. So I just needed to like do something before my reporting. So we shifted to online class today, so I'm able to use my camera. Ayan. So I'm just gonna do some to-do list, and that's something that I'm incorporating in my day-to-day basis para alam ko kung ano yung gagawin ko throughout the day. Ayan, so I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show you guys my new planner that I actually got. So I'm gonna show you guys in a while. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Bye! Okay guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong planner ko. This is from CNS. This is the Design Your Life version. Ayan. So I have their 2023 planner. Ayan, so I have written down here. Ito ko na show you. Ayan. So, nirate ko pa lang siya sa pencil because nangihinayang akong dumihan siya, but I am gonna work through that. But anyways, ayan. So, for today, ayan, yung vlog nga na ginagawa ko right now, and I have reporting, rewatch movie, and I have a lot of things to do pa aside from that. So, I need to put it here. Hi guys, so katatapos ko lang mag-eat and it's currently 8:48. So I'm gonna take a shower para the whole day reporting and dinis na lang ng room ko yung iisipin ko. So, ayan. I'm gonna take a shower in 3, 2, 1. And I am done. So I just took a shower, a body shower. So kung nagtataka kayo ba't yung hair ko, lalo pa yun. Whereas kanina, di ako nagbabasa ng hair. Every other day ako nagbabasa ng hair. Anyways, as you can see, yung situation ng room ko is a bit messy. Yung bed ko okay na yan. Inayos ko siya kanina. And hindi ko na video. Anyways, yan mo na yun. Yeah, so there are parcels there. That part is so messy. And I used those. So, I'm just gonna fix it. I'm gonna put you guys on time-lapse para mas maayos. And hindi boring yung video nito. And someone will say hi. Bye-bye! Say hi! Hi! Say to them! Hi! Ayan. So, camera siya. Say hi to them! Ayan. So next is this drawer, guys. Pagbukas yun, hindi naman siya ganun kasama. Pero like, sobrang gulo niya for me. So, sina quickly fix this one. So, you guys will be on time-lapse. And, really din akong skincare off. Come, I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is the after. So these are all of my lippies and blush. Ayan, ito na yung blush ko. These are everything that doesn't fit here. So we have here mascara, primers, setting spray, lippies, eyeliner and stuff. These are my skincare. Wait, I'm gonna show you. There are my skincare. These are all powders and cushions, and then also primers. These are primers. My brushes. This is supposed to be here, but these are all of my face or eye makeup palettes. They're everything. These are all of my bases here. And nagkasya siya, which I'm very happy. But I'm gonna show you guys the aftermath. Ta-da! So everything here will be thrown away. Ayan. Except for the watches also. But the boxes and everything will be thrown away. Ayan. So I'm gonna update you guys later after ko ma-finish to. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be doing this part. So this part of my room is where I stay the most. So this is where I do my contents and also where I study and just do work stuff. Ayan. So it's currently, it's not focusing, 9:48, and my goal is to finish everything by 10. And I'll do another content for my TikTok. I have a TikTok now, guys. Ayan siya. So if you guys want to follow me, this is my TikTok account. I'm actually gonna do some contents for my TikTok, and also I'm gonna be shooting something for a brand. So I have here a parcel that I need to shoot pa. Ayan. So I'm gonna put it here aside para alam ko kung ano yung shoot ko. Anyways, I'm gonna be fixing, and I actually allotted a space for all of the parcels in that stair. And I'm gonna show you. Natanggal yung ano niya. Ayan siya. So all of my products are there. Ayan. So I'm just gonna put them there. Ayan. So I'll update you guys later. Pagtapos ko na sila. And I'll do a time lapse as well. So I'm gonna update you guys later. Hi guys, update. It's currently 12:40. I'm not sure if it's focused on my phone. Me trying to focus. It's 12:40 and I was supposed to do a video for my TikTok, but apparently the time is not enough for me to do it. So I'll do it later after my report, like after my report na yan. So I'm just waiting and I'm just finishing the makeup tutorial thingy. I focus on that instead of doing my report. Anyways, I'll just do that later on. Pero naka-ready naman na yung mga gamit ko. I'm gonna show you. So, I'm gonna show you my things. Wait. Ayan. Ayan silang lahat. So, these are all of the makeups that I am going to use later on for this video. So, I'll see you guys later before I start, or before the class starts. Hello, so I am about to join my meeting, but no one is here pa daw. So, our class starts at 1, and it's currently 12:56. So, I still have 4 minutes to prepare. So, I'm just gonna put some lippies para may kulay naman ako when nakuha sa camera. Or like, pag pinag-open cam kami, makikita yung itsura ko. But this is how I look like and how my study table looks like. Makeup yarn. Ayan. So, gonna see you guys later. I joined na. Ayan si sir.
29 dapat
And
dapat 30 tayo.
andun ako. Hindi pa ako naka-open. Though, I'm gonna fix you guys. And then, this is my script. And I'm gonna join later kapag kami na yung what do you call this? Kami na yung report. Anyways.
Tumbali.
Present po, sir. Group 3 yung nauna, guys. Hindi
the
kami.
perks of success, which is, I mean, bad perks like.
Hello, updates. So, meron kaming, ngayon, like, record, online class. Tapos, ang haba nung ni-report ng isa. Like, sobrang long siya, pero binuo niya yung movie. So, anyways, I think, mga 2:30 na kami makakapag-report. So, sana muna kami sa group 1. So, just an update lang naman. Anyways, I'll update you guys later pag kami na. Malapit na kami!
Kasi mag-iiba sila ng focus.
May heart siya.
Ang focus ng McDonald's drivers is to lead their.
So for presentation, one of the most commendable aspect in the film is its authentic presentation of the problems and challenges faced by the protagonist. So it doesn't shy away from the harsh reality of homelessness, poverty, and cutthroat world of finance. So the audience can actually witness the character or the protagonist's struggle with housing, finance, and the constant threat of failure. So these challenges are portrayed in a way that feels genuine and relatable, and making the story more impactful. So the central message of the movie itself is that success is not a guarantee, but it can be achieved through tenacity and hard work. That's all po. Thank you.
Okay. So, I just have a few questions for the report. Nasabi nyo naman lahat eh, kompleto naman tayo. I just wanted to ask, siguro si ano na lang, si Avila.
Hi guys,
Okay.
so update. It's currently 8:28 and I'm not sure if focus siya. But anyways, so I did my my TikTok video. Nakakaloka. Sinundan ko yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung kay Jean's beauty space, and I'm actually loving how my makeup turned out, and I did some photo shoot. So I am just gonna be putting some photos here. So para makita nyo, ayan. So I am loving myself, but I need to repurchase some makeup products, so I think I'm gonna do that when we go to the gym tomorrow. And so, yun lang. So, andito na sila mommy. I need to remove this na. Ayan, so I have enough photos naman na to like post. And I'm gonna fix my area again because it got dirty from doing this makeup look. And then I'll do one more thing. I wasn't able to do core exercise because we really nasagad yung time namin for the kanina, the reporting. But anyways, I think I'm going to have dinner na. So I'll update you guys later. Ayan. And I'm gonna shoot pa for videos. So I need to do that as well ASAP. So I'm just gonna remove this one and then I'll update you guys later. Bye-bye! And also guys, hindi ako nakapag-film. Like, sabi ko sa inyo, mag-film ako sa phone ko or this, tapos gagamitin ko yung iPad ko to film, like me doing my TikTok video. Pero hindi na, so I'm just gonna put it here para makita nyo. And also follow me on my TikTok account para makita nyo rin yung full video. And anyways, I'll gonna see you guys later. Totoo na to. Hello! So, it's currently 9:20 and this is where the video will end. I wasn't able to do my TikTok video yung sa unboxing because I'm too tired. Ayan, sobrang tagal din kasi nung naging reporting namin. It took us the whole afternoon for that one. So, anyways, ayan. So, ganito na ako every Monday pag online. But wag face-to-face, ayan. Medyo hectic and I won't be able to clean my room. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below any ideas that you want me to do next. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, besties!